Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the detergent and rinse aid dispenser in the Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and believe it or not, a couple of dimes. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new detergent and rinse aid dispenser. The detergent and rinse aid dispenser automatically dispenses the soap and the rinse agent into the dishwasher during the wash and the rinse cycles. If the detergent and rinse aid dispenser won't open during the cycle or will not latch, it should be replaced. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out 3 screws on each side of the door that holds the outer panel. Slide down and out the panel to remove it. If one or both spacers jumps at you, just put them back. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press the tab on the side and disconnect the 3 yellow wire connector on the right. Use the same screwdriver to press the tab on the inside and disconnect the 2 yellow wire connector from the solenoid. Next, using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws at the top of the door that holds the control panel and then pull it off. Don't mix the screws. The ones from the top are longer than the outer door panel screws. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push on the tab and release the 2 white wires connector from the lock sensor. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the slot on the side of the plastic wire retainer to unlock the tab. Unlock the 2 top tabs and remove the retainer. Place the control panel on the floor. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry out the side metal tabs. Slide a coin into the opening and repeat the procedure on the opposite side and on the top so the 4 tabs are unlocked. Leave the 5th top tab with the flat blade screwdriver and push the dispenser in. Remove the coins before you push the dispenser in completely so they won't get inside the dishwasher. Remove the old detergent dispenser. This is the old detergent and rinse aid dispenser next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Put some liquid soap on the rubber seal. And spread it around. Ready to install. Place the new detergent and rinse aid dispenser into the cutout so the soap door opens up when you press the button, and then push it hard in. Make sure you support the inner door from the back when you push in the dispenser. All the 8 metal tabs should lock. Plug in the 2 white wire connector into the door lock sensor. Install the wire retainer bracket and press it to lock in. Connect the 2 yellow wire plug to the solenoid. Connect the 3 yellow wire plug on the right. Place the control panel onto the door and secure it with the 6 longer Torx 20 screws. Install the outer panel, slide it up and push it in. Secure it with the 6 Torx 20 screws. And close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.